little Debbie honey bun. Yeah, right over there.
Oh, I walk. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Gotta have a honey bun. How you doing?
Hey, good. How's it going?
Pretty good. Or donut. I gotta get both.
Such a turnaround. Wish I could have used this when I was moving all weekend.
Yeah. That can be it.
That's it for me.
2468. I know I haven't turned my air on yet. I got my windows open and I got
Oh Lord.
window fans in my windows. They're nice and cold in the house.
Now those fans are the trick.
Yes. And it stays cool all day long in my house as long as it's cool at nighttime.
Yeah.
But once it starts getting hot at nighttime, my air's gotta come on.
Yeah, boy, you'll lie.
Yep.
Have a good one.
You two take care on. This gonna be it?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want this in the bag?
Oh no, thank you.
Alright. Oh Jesus, 674.
I got you. There we go. Thank you.
You want your
No, thank you.
Thank you, and you have a good one.
You too. Stay safe.
Thank you.
What's good, you two? We're going on a little cruise today. It's my C7 Corvette. Walk around. She's dirty, I know. We'll get to it. I'll probably clip in some footage from the 360. Let's start. Water dripping on my hand. I don't really know where we're going yet, but you know, we're gonna go somewhere. I had to get one for the cruise. Yep. Type R. My one regret is that I didn't get a manual now, so I could just do all the extra stuff everyone does. Hold on. But yeah, like I said, I don't really know where we going. We going somewhere. We'll go this way. Maybe. Wind noise first. Yeah, it's stock. Everybody's car is stock nowadays. We can get into what may or may not be done a little later. Maybe in the next video. Maybe. But it's nothing crazy. Rocks in the road. I need a yeah, just a little cruise today. I'm gonna stop talking. See how I can hear the car. A Mustang would have lost it right there. I'm just saying. Sometimes I like the automatic because I can just throw it in drive and not think about nothing. And if I'm out one night, something happens to me, someone else can drive, or anyone can drive it. Just simple. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments of automatic versus manual. I know there's gonna be comments saying automatics are faster. Excuse me. But manuals are more like, hey, hold on. Cause like when I learned how to drive manual, I realized how fun it was. But when I was getting this, I was getting it to be my daily, so it couldn't, or not getting it to be my daily. It had to be my daily for a little while. So, in order for me to not drive a manual every day, I had to get an automatic. But now that I got a daily, I wish this was a manual, kinda. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Oh, I got another question for y'all. So, I had this car for like, I think just past 2 years. So I'm looking at my next vehicle, my next fun vehicle, because now that I got the daily, I can get something that's actually like, I can really make it fun, because I don't have to worry about driving every day. So under $100,000, under 100K. I need a vehicle under 100K, like between like 70 and 90-ish for real. I'm tempted to turn away from these cars. It's like I'm thinking, I've never been the type to really go get, or no, not good, but I never really understood going from one model of the same car to the next model. But right now my answer is a Z06, probably in manual. Just so like, because in order for me to boost this, I gotta do way too much to it. And I would like to be quite a bit faster. So I could go ahead and get the LT4 platform for like 70, 75-ish. And then be chilling. And I could just boost it off rip with a few minor changes, as opposed to getting the whole rod and piston work. But so under 100,000 right now, my mind is kind of set on Z06. I know there's like the AMG GTs, like the coupe with the really long nose, but under 100K I can't really think of anything else, because like I need a step between this, which was like whatever price, and then an entry-level supercar. Like I need a car in the middle, cause like I'm kind of over this. Not over it, but it's getting there. Like I don't want to put too much money into it if I'm just going to upgrade later. So Z06 AMG GTs, like the coupe, not the 63S and everything. Y'all let me know what I could get between like 70 and 100,000. Not too far. Fast.